Here's the psychology of getting girls. Most men think getting girls is about looks, money, or some kind of magic pickup line. But here's the truth. Attraction is 90% psychological. So what makes a woman attracted to a man? I'm breaking down the science. No. 1. Confidence. Research shows women rate confidence as more attractive than looks because confidence shows survival value. It shows you believe in yourself, and that makes others believe in you too. No. 2. Social proof. Women notice how other people treat you. If you're respected, admired, or just surrounded by friends, it creates something called preselection. It's when a woman subconsciously thinks, if everyone else thinks this guy is great, then so will I. No. 3. Mystery. Women are turned on by mystery. When you're too available, too predictable, or too eager, it kills desire. The female brain loves curiosity. When you have layers, when she feels like she doesn't know you fully, attraction goes through the roof. No. 4. Emotional connection. Science shows that the key to love and attraction is emotional connection, not physical. So, focus on making her laugh, having deep conversations, creating shared experiences. Build a vibe. No. 5. Purpose. Women are naturally drawn to men with direction. When you have goals, passions, things you're chasing, you give off an energy that says, "Come with me." Purpose is far more attractive than desperation. So here's the science in a nutshell. Confidence shows value. Social proof validates that value. Mystery keeps her intrigued. Emotional connection bonds her. Purpose makes her want to follow you. You don't need tricks to get girls. You don't need to chase them. Attraction isn't something you force. It's something you allow to happen. The moment you stop trying to get women and start focusing on becoming the man who naturally attracts them, that's when everything changes.